So if we have x squared plus 4x plus 10, so let's go ahead and make our algebra tiles. So we have x squared plus 4x's and then plus 10. So we have there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. I zoomed in too much. So I have 4x's, so I'm going to go ahead and split those into 2 so that I can make my square. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this one, if you look, I have extra tiles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra tiles. On that last one, when we wrote the equation, I was short some. So when you write the equation, you will be able to tell the difference. Remember, to make an x squared, you have x times x. To make 2x's here, it would be 2 times x, so plus 2. 2 times x gives you 2x's as well. 2 times 2 is 4. So when we write our equation, it would be x plus 2 squared, because there's 2 of them multiplying. And then in this case, since we had 6 extras, you would say plus 6. Now, I'm going to show you typing this in the calculator so that you can see that both equations are the same. They're just written differently. So if I go to y equals, type x squared plus 4x plus 10. Now I'm going to graph it first because I want to see the vertex. So if I hit graph, oops, and mine zoomed out. So I'm going to hit zoom 6, just zoom 6 to zoom back to the normal window. And I'm going to hit second trace. It's a minimum value, so I went to number 3. Remember, do left bound, right bound, enter. So it's -2, 6. Remember vertex form? This right here tells you how much it moved horizontally. So it moved back 2 and up 6. Or you can just graph this one as well, x plus 2 squared plus 6. Hit graph. You see the blue one already, and there's the red one. So they're exactly the same. So you can type it in your calculator to check your work. But remember, completing the square just changes the trinomial from a trinomial to vertex form. We will end up solving these or finding the zeros, but I want to make sure that you can write it in vertex form first. So that is that equation. Now you will need to use algebra tiles to do these. So I have placed a link on Schoology that takes you to an interactive algebra tiles page, and you will just be able to click and put in an x squared, put in 2 x's, and then put in your numbers.